We're
Who we got? Beth's with us.
Beth, we've got Mr.
Judge.
We also have Miss Gonzalez. who's
Okay.
on.
Beth, I've got you down for Gregorio Herrera on 648-757.
Yes, Judge, he has applied for Veterans Court probation.
Okay.
And I spoke to him, he should be on, I don't see him. But he talked to Mr. Whittemore about it, and he lives in Montgomery County. So he said that either Mr. Whittemore or you were going to be talking to Montgomery County about the logistics of transferring a probation there. So,
Are you with us?
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to get Chris on the line. He's showing that he's here, but he's not answering. There he is.
Oh, okay.
Chris, are you there? Chris, we can't hear you, but it looks like your microphone's off.
I don't know what's going on with Chris, Your Honor.
All right, Beth, that's all good. Let's reset Beth for a couple of weeks to keep her on our radar and make sure that Mr. Herrera gets in contact with one of the VTC guys. And does he have contact information, or do you know, Beth?
Yes, they've been in contact. They've spoken.
Have him call him again today or tomorrow, whenever he's available, and just make sure he doesn't fall through a crack.
Okay, and I saw in the docket, I think I've got one more, Judge.
Yes, you do. Beth, you have Martin Berrentos.
Yes, and I was surprised to see his name on the docket because we were here a couple weeks ago, and he's homeless, and his sisters were trying to find him, and so a warrant was issued, I think, or an FTA.
And that may be it, that it was not done, and we need to do it, okay?
Okay, yeah, I still have not been able to find him and haven't heard from them.
Okay, and Chris is coming back in. It looks like he's had trouble. Mr. Herrera is in.
Okay.
And back up on Mr. Martin Barrientos, you say we have not found him?
That's correct, Judge.
All right, so we need to issue a warrant pad, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's all I need to know. Beth, you're out of here unless you'd like to hang around with us.
Okay, we're finished with Herrera then?
We're good, thanks so much.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Timmy Roundtree, let me catch you here. I got you on 1 or 2.
I think just one today, I hope.
But you guys wanted all the cases you could get.
The first one I have is Ramon Elizondo.
Correct.
Yes.
64940, are you in touch with Miss Elizondo?
I am.
And have you received an offer from the state?
I have.
And do you know what you want to do yet?
I don't, but I will know within a week or so. I got the offer today.
Let's reset for a week. And in the interim, if you figure it out, you don't have to wait for next week's docket call. Just call Pat or email her and let her know. And if you want a jury trial, we'll reset it for that. If you've got a plea worked out, we'll reset it for that. Fair enough?
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
You don't have anybody else today? I swear I saw your name again.
I think so, Your Honor. Hold on. He's the last one on the list. On the docket.
Always.
It is Jacob Martinez.
Yes. Okay. Judge, I think it's going to plead, but I'm not ready to plead yet. If I have to put it on the trial docket, I will. I need to get some more information to Nick. I think we're trying to get a little bit better offer.
All right. Let's just reset for a jury trial for now. And anytime you want to change that, Tim, just let Pat know.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. I got Jess. Let's find out. Jessica, who do you have today? Oh, there you go. On Jorge.
Judge, I'm on the phone trying to call that client. I'll come if you can circle back to me.
Sure. Jose Rocha.
Hello, Judge. How are you? Good afternoon.
Fine, thanks. Let me see if I can find you on here.
Raimundo Villegas.
Gotcha. And are you in touch with, well, I've got a Raimundo Viesas. Is that correct?
Villesas, sorry.
Yes. So it's been off and on, Your Honor. Yes, with Raimundo Villescas. I have received an offer from the district attorney's office.
Okay.
I was under the impression that he was going to be here today. I don't know if K51 is my client or not, or LG Style 5. Long story short, I did receive an offer. I need to review it with my client.
When you-
However, I have had issues with connecting with him.
That's
He
my
does
question.
appear from time to time and then disappears.
When you say you have contact off and on, what exactly does that mean? We call him right
That
now,
means that
or we don't know.
we've had exchanges over the phone, but then he either doesn't make it to a meeting at my office over the phone, or I'm unable to reach him, and then appears again.
How about this? We were saying for one more week, and if you can't find him for one more week, I'm going to do bad things to him. Would that work?
I mean, unfortunately, hopefully it works out for all of us, Your Honor.
Well, once you find him, if you determine what y'all want to do, just to let Pat know, you don't have to hang out for this docket call again if you already know what you want to do.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You have anything else today, or is that it?
I believe
Adam
that's the only
Ivy.
one.
Pardon me, Pat?
Adam Ivy?
Is that Mr. Roach's case?
Yes.
Okay. I do. I have an Adam Ivy theft case, 636-477.
Yes, Your Honor, I have the same issue with Mr. Ivy.
Let's do the same thing then another week, and if you can't find him, I'll issue a warrant for him.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you very much. And Jess, are you ready? Are you still on the phone? I'll come back to you. It's no problem.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let me find you again.
I think I just threw out my neck, crossing my legs.
Oh. Jorge
Jorge Baroon,
Moraine,
Baran.
647554, Your Honor.
I got-
Okay.
Jess, are you in contact with Jorge Berjuan?
Your Honor, I have not been able to reach him, but in all fairness, I called the number on the appointment. There was no answer. I did a clerk search and it looks like he's on a cash bond with a Mercedes and it has a number on there. And that's the number I was calling. And that is a Spanish speaking only individual who answered the phone. So I don't speak Spanish, so I wasn't able to communicate past the fact that she does not speak English. That's all I was able to get from her.
Court-appointed case, or are you retained?
It's court appointed, Your Honor.
Do you want to pass it to somebody who speaks Spanish, and then we'll be happy to give you another case?
Yeah, absolutely. That's fine. There's already a plea offer on there. The prosecutor Alexis emailed me this morning. So that's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, let's do that, Pat.
Okay.
And give her out.
Jessica, I will tell you who I appoint and maybe, or you can send me what the offer is or whatever, so I can send it to them.
I'll just forward you Alexis's email.
Okay, and that way I'll send it to whoever. Appreciate it so
Absolutely.
much.
Thank you guys.
And
so
I
much.
may have one for you here if the attorney doesn't show, so I'll send you that information. Okay?
Sounds good. And may be excused.
Hang on just a second. Pat, the defendant that we had a moment ago who couldn't find his lawyer, is he still with us?
I think he has already taken off, Your Honor, but if Mr. Hughes does not show, I thought I'd give it to Jessica.
Okay, that's great. All right, thanks, Jeff.
Great. So yeah, just Pat, if you do that, just go ahead and forward it to me and then I'll add it and pick it up from there.
Right, and I got his phone number right before he got off, so I know for sure that will get to him, okay?
Okay, and I'll send you the email right now. Thank you guys. You guys have a good
Thank
day.
you. Bye.
Sorry, I just joined. Has my name been called yet by any chance?
Ma'am, I can't see who you are. It just says Bree phone.
It's Bridget Elizondo. Sorry.
I don't think we've gotten to you yet, ma'am, and we're waiting for attorneys. Your Honor, Mr. Sanchez, Jesus Sanchez, or Jesse Sanchez is on.
Jesse, are you in contact with Amanda Dobson?
Yes, I am, Judge. I spoke to her just about a half hour ago.
And have you received an offer from the state yet on this case?
Not yet.
State, do you have an offer you can tender at this time?
I emailed it this morning, but I can.
Go ahead and orally give it to Jesse if you would, just take a conversation.
12 months deferred adjudication, a $400 fine, court costs, 48 hours community service, an ATSE course, a no contact order with Linda Gonzalez, and restitution, if any, to Linda Gonzalez.
Okay. If I could get a reset, Judge, and I can convey that to Ms. Dotson and then find out what she's going to do.
We reset for a week to next Tuesday at 2, and if you determine what's going on before then, just let Pat know.
Okay, Judge. It's Tuesday at 2. I think I can do that. I'm taking my sister to chemo, and I think I'm taking her to chemotherapy on the 30th.
Pat, anytime, fine with me.
Just let me know, Mr. Sanchez.
Okay, I'll email you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Just put Mr. Sanchez on standby, and we'll go from there on that one. So
Yes.
good luck on all. You have anybody else today, Jesse, or is that it?
That's it, Judge.
Thanks for your help.
Okay, thank you, man. Be excused.
Yes.
We got any other lawyers out there lurking?
Not at this point, Your Honor.
Okay. Come off of YouTube and stand by.